like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. We have about 50 vehicles arriving every week, and we are the premier salvage and repairable car dealership of the Northeast. Right now you're looking at a 2019 or 2020 GLC Coupe 43. It's got the AMG package on it, has front end collision damage. The unit does start, does move under its own power. We will be selling this with a salvage title. We'll go over the damage in a moment. Take a quick look inside. Nice enough to put some damaged parts back here. We have a curtain airbag that's deployed on both sides. We'll clean all this stuff out. Most of this is garbage. You have a knee airbag that's deployed here. Driver steering wheel airbag that's deployed. Passenger airbag is good. Seat airbags are good. Take a look at the damage. Need the left fender, left headlight, need the front bumper assembly, need the hood, right headlight, and right fender. Apron looks good on this side. Need the upper radiator support. All the cooling is damaged. Apron looks good on this side. Upper radiator support is damaged here. Got some damage to the frame rail right there. See it from the top also. This frame rail on this side looks good. No movement on the engine. Front of the motor is no damage. That intercooler there is good as well. It does start right up. Motor sitting in place. So the majority of the damage, frame damage, is to the right front. Let's try and zoom out again so you can see a little better. So yeah, the damage is right there to the right front frame rail. That's where the impact was. We'll post it on the website very soon. Thanks for watching.